Obtain an expression for the mutual inductance between a long straight wire and a square loop of side A as shown in figure. So see, we know that formula d phi is equal to B dA, right? Now B is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi y, mu 0 Ni upon 2 pi y, if number of turns are there, but here square loop, so mu 0 I upon 2 pi y. So d phi is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi y dA. Now dA is here A dy, because of this square loop, side is A and thickness is dy. So now integrating both these sides, so phi is equal to constant term outside mu 0 I upon 2 pi into A, right, and integration dy upon y. Now this integration is with respect to y, so that distance, it starts from that is A, it starts from A to A plus x, right? So phi is equal to mu 0 I A upon 2 pi, now log y, upper limit A plus x, lower limit A. So phi is equal to mu 0 I A upon 2 pi log upper limit upon lower limit. Now phi, what is phi? So we know that m is equal to phi upon I. So phi is equal to mi, right? So put it left hand side, mi is equal to mu 0 ia upon 2 pi log, now we can write 1 plus x upon a, right? So II gets cancelled out, so this is our now m equation, mu 0 a log 1 plus x by a upon 2 pi. So that is mutual inductance. Now second question, now assume that the straight wire carries a current 50 ampere and the loop is moved, so current I is equal to 50 ampere and the loop is moved to the right with constant velocity v is equal to 10 meter per second. Calculate the induced EMF in the loop at the instant when x is equal to 0.2 and a is equal to 0.1. So that formula to find that b is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi x into AV. So here A, right, we know, so 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, I is 50 upon 2 pi x is 0.2, right, A is area. Now see, this is straight wire, area is a square, so 0.1 square, right, into v. So here that is the distance, so we have to write 0.1 and v is 10. A is the distance here, not area. So pi gets cancelled out, 2 2s are 4. So calculation is 2 into 50 into 0.1 into 10 upon 0.2. So 500 into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla, right? So that is actually EMF. Here it is not B, this is EMF formula directly, BAV, BBL, Baula. So this is direct EMF formula, and magnetic field, it is this. So this is EMF formula. So we found here that is EMF, so that is in voltage.